Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I'm excited because I feel like there are so many deals this week and deals on food, which y'all know I love. So I'm going to tell you about everything I got, but I have a super long list of other awesome deals, stuff that I didn't need, but I want to tell you about because they're fantastic deals that rival the grocery store prices. So I'm going to do all of that in this video. I'll also show you pictures of items I found on clearance. I'll show you how I used the spend 25, get $7 in Walgreens cash digital booster for allergy products, as well as my digital booster for spend 30, get 10. I know a lot of people are brand new to this, and my goal is to make it as simple as possible for you guys. So I'm going to do my best to start with the simplest deals and then work up to what is maybe considered more advanced. Anyone can do it. Just listen and follow along with the things that I'm talking about. If you have questions, drop them down in the comments section below. Now, I mentioned two things last week. I'm going to mention them again this week. Hopefully y'all know by now, if I mention things multiple times, it's because it's something that I really believe in and feel like is a good deal. I'm not going to tell you about stuff that I don't think is a legitimate deal because there's no benefit to me in doing that. I want you guys to trust me and to trust the information that I give you. So last week I mentioned Walgreens is back on Rakuten. That means if you're shopping and doing curbside orders, you can go through Rakuten first. It's a completely free platform and you get an additional % cash back into that account. Now, yesterday it was 12% cash back. This morning it's only 2%, but brand new people, and I know I mentioned this a lot, so if you've heard me say it, just skip on by this part. Brand new people, if you use my link below and you spend $30 out of pocket before taxes, you're going to get $30 back. So it's a ridiculously amazing offer for new people. The other one I mentioned last week is the AARP membership. Again, I will link it down below. With that link, you can get a membership for $12 for the entire year. And you can pick a free gift. I got the USB 5-port hub, but it gives you discounts to tons of different places and you only have to be 18 years old. You can literally link your AARP membership to your Walgreens account and you get additional Walgreens cash back for having that membership. So for me, completely worth it. Y'all have to make that decision for yourself. I'm going to drop the link down below. Now, let's get into what I think are the easiest deals first. My store was completely out of these, so I pulled this out of my pantry. These aluminum foils are 2 for $2 or just $1 each. I think that's a great deal. I normally buy it, but again, my store was out of stock. So $1 a piece. The complete freezer bags. So these guys, and it's not just the freezer bags, it's all of the bags are buy one, get two free. And so I put these in my cart last night, the freezer bags. They were 3 for $2.79, which drops your final cost down to 93 cents a box. So again, I picked those up yesterday. My son and I put together these toiletry baggies for a local homeless shelter, and it has all sorts of different toiletries in there, but we use the complete home bags from when they were 3 for $2.79 before. Another easy deal this week, but it was super cool because I bought the 12-pack of Pepsis, and I want to pick it up, but I'm afraid stuff will fall. So here we go. The 12 packs are 3 for $11.98, but y'all see what that says, right? 15 pack. So when they were packing up my order, I guess when they grabbed the 12 packs, there were some that had an additional 3 cans. So I got a 15 pack for $11.98 for 3 of them. That's $3.99 each. Now, y'all know I'm not a soda drinker, but I was talking to a girlfriend the other day and she's like, man, soda has gotten so expensive. So when I saw this deal, I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to mention this one because it's an easy deal. You can use your Walgreens cash to pay. So if you like Pepsi products, I think it was like A&W, Pepsi, maybe 7-Up, don't quote me on that. Just look in the Walgreens app or in your store. There are a number of Pepsi products at 3 for $11.98. And if you can find the 15 packs, you're gonna get an even better deal. Now, this deal is also outstanding. This one is a little bit more complicated. And I know I said I was gonna do the easy ones first, and apparently I lied. So these are $26.99 each. We're gonna get them for free. $26.99 for the Nasonex. They're buy one, get one free. There is a $10 digital coupon, so you'll pay $16.99. Now, there's a digital coupon you can clip for spend $25, get $7 in Walgreens cash. So we will have spent the $25 buying 2 of these, even with the coupon and the buy one, get one free sale. Just don't use Walgreens cash to pay for this, and you're gonna get the $7 back in Walgreens cash. Then submit your receipt to coupons.com. We're gonna get $10 back on the other one we purchased, making our final cost completely free. I did this late last night. I already got the $10 back from coupons.com. I went ahead and did it because I wanted to make sure it worked before I told you guys about it. So great deal on Nasonex allergy if you need that product. Now, let's go back to the easier deals like I said I would do. This one kind of bugged me. The regular size bags of Lay's potato chips are buy one, get one free. They're $4.59 each. That drops your final cost down to $2.29 per bag. For some reason, when they packed my order, they packed the tiny bags. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I don't know if I go back to the store, if I chat with the person online, but these should have been the full size, regular size bags of Lay's potato chips are buy one, get one free, $4.59. That drops them down to $2.29 per bag. Not a great deal when they accidentally give you the wrong product, but it is a good deal if they give you the correct product. Now, here is a deal that I did curbside, and it is the best price when you do it that way because of the digital coupons. These are $4.99 each. There is a $4 manufacturer digital, a $2 store digital, as well as an automatic $3 off too when you're purchasing them online. That drops our cost down to 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. So super good deal on the L'Oreal. The Planters peanuts. So the nice peanuts are on sale 2 for $5, but so are the Planters peanuts. They are 2 for $5, but there's a digital coupon for $1.50 off. So that drops our price down to $3.50 or $1.75 each. Now, the chicken, I liked this deal because it's not a deal we see often. $11.99 for the Tyson chicken, which is expensive, except for the fact that they're buy one, get one free. So instead of paying $11.99, that drops it down to $5.99 each. And my grocery store has them at like almost $9. So easy deal. You could use Walgreens cash to pay. What else we got? Oh, the Walgreens branded items on like first aid products. They are buy one, get one half off, but there is a coupon code. You can use the code WAG20 to take an additional 20% off. So like this aspirin right here is, I think it was like 90 some cents, but when you buy 2 of them, it's $1.12 after that buy one, get one half off. But then you use the code WAG20, it's gonna take off an additional 22 cents, making my final cost for this 90 cents. Or just 45 cents each. You could do this with hydrogen peroxide. You could do it with like their ointment. You could do it with the Walgreens brand alcohol, Walgreens panty liners. There are so many different deals that you can do if you like the Walgreens branded item. And with that AARP membership, we get additional points back on those Walgreens branded items. So the deal actually gets even better if you have that as well. Now, the Crest. This one's a freebie. I don't know why I left it till last. This one is buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I did this curbside and I did get the Walgreens cash. So these are $3.29 each. There's a $5 digital coupon. So I paid $4.87. I got $5 back in Walgreens cash, making my final cost free and a 13-cent moneymaker. Now, I did do a spend deal this week because I was buying a number of food items and I thought it would be easy to get to the $30. So here's how you could do it. You could pick up 3 of the sodas at $11.98. You could pick up 2 of the chickens at $11.99. Buy one, get one free. You could grab the 2 planters, 2 for $5, minus the $1.50 digital coupon, and 3 of the bags at 3 for $2.79. That total is $30.26. Okay. I'm going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $30 out of pocket, which I did, making my final cost $20.26 for all of those items. So not a bad spend deal this morning. Now let me tell you about a few other deals. The Nice chips, so not the Lay's, but the Nice brand potato chips, they are 3 for $6, so that's $2 a bag. The Skippy peanut butter is 2 for $5. The Pop-Tarts, the big pack of Pop-Tarts, $4.29. Buy one, get one free. So that drops it down to $2.14 per 12 pack. The bacon, the Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $8. You're going to get back $4 on Ibotta, making your final cost $4 for both packs or $2 per pack. The Nice peanuts I mentioned were 2 for $5. There were chocolate-covered almonds, $3.99. Buy one, get one free. So that drops it down to $1.99 each. Now the Dawn dish soap, they're $1.29 each. Buy 2, get $1 register reward back. So that drops your cost to $1.58 or just 79 cents each. I was all set on Dawn from the Target freebie, so I didn't buy them. The hot dogs, the Oscar Mayer hot dogs, 2 for $8. Buy one, get one free. That drops them down $2 to $4 or $2 per pack. Again, way better than my grocery store. And then the Lindsay olives, still buy one, get one free with a rebate on Ibotta, dropping your final cost down to $1.99 for those olives or just 99 cents per can. Whew, that was a lot this morning, and I'm so pleased with the ad this week. Just so many deals. Now, there's also a cosmetic digital, spend 25, get 7, and there were tons of cosmetic coupons. I did not put together a scenario for that because I was already rushing this morning to get the video out, but there are a number of scenarios you can do. I noticed Ibotta had Rimmel, and I feel CoverGirl maybe, rebates, so you could easily put together a deal with Ibotta and manufacturer coupons from the Walgreens website if you want to do a cosmetics deal. Now, if you're doing a different deal than any of the ones I mentioned, please share it down below. Let's help each other out. Otherwise, I hope you'll have a lovely Sunday. Drop me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Thanks.